Hi, myself Sudhakar. I came from People Link Unified Communications, and there I am working as a head for the marketing department. Today we visited this XLR for campus placement drive. So we are happy that we came here to XLR, and whoever we interviewed today, we are very much happy because they have very good knowledge, not only theory, and we can see they have like a good practical knowledge also. They are providing very good strong foundation for the candidates. So we are planning to hire more people from XLR.
Hi, myself Mohammad Khalib, and I'm from People Link. Like I'm a digital marketer of the People Link. We came for the XLR to take on interviews of the SEO and other like digital marketing interviews process. So about the XLR candidates, the profiles, like we got shortlisted. Like if they have a good knowledge on the digital marketing. So apart from digital marketing, they have on marketing other activities like customer support wise or any other like. So here we got a good candidates. So more on more SEO part or the social media marketing or the PPC. So like the interview process like was good, and we actually got a good candidates here. So we have taken like more and more candidates from the XLR.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm Mohammad Siddiq, and I've done my digital marketing course from XLR Solutions. The best learning platform for digital marketing is XLR Solutions. What specialized solutions what I have studied in XLR is SMM, social media optimization, social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and etc. The service and the learning platform and the tutors was excellent, and they have provided me a best internship platform with People Link. It was very pleased to have that opportunity to me to explore my skills and execute my knowledge on that platform. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Sucharita. Recently I have done my digital marketing in XLR, and since digital marketing is the most trending and evolving platform in the market, you can often career here in this field. So in XLR they will provide you intense training and in digital marketing, and the trainer are very well trained and they have good hand-on experience in digital marketing. So they will provide you each and every details and train you perfectly in the field of digital marketing, and after the completion of course they will provide you to work in real field in projects, so to elevate your knowledge and skills in digital marketing. After completion of course also XLR has provided placement assistance for me. Today I have come here to attend a placement interview conducted by XLR in People Link company. So my experience in that job interview is very good. The HR are very good and friendly. They have explained you very well, like in which field and how the digital marketing works in their company. So till now I have a very good experience in XLR, and I definitely will recommend you to join the course for your future. Thank you.
Hello guys, myself Nikhil Reddy V. I'm currently graduated with Masters in Management with Sales and Marketing. I'm currently done with my interview and I've done my digital marketing course with XLR. I found the course online in Google in top ranking in search, and based on the curriculum and everything, and the professors and everyone are quite excellent in the XLR faculty team. And my professor was Mr. Uday, and Uday was a Google certified and Google trained professor. He teaches me digital marketing, and during the classes he was an excellent professor. He used to clarify every doubts, and if I had any doubts post the class period, he used to personally take care into this and clarify the doubts. Today I'm here with people interviewing for them, and my interview went well good, hoping for the good. Thank you, XLR.
Hi, myself Rohan. I have completed my degree, and after completing my degree I decided to do digital marketing. And through internet I have got this XLR solutions which has number of ratings, so I decided to join. So after completing I even did projects, live projects. They helped me in each and everything. After doing that they even placed me in interviews, and today I attended People Link company. Thank you, XLR.
My name is Almas. So I'm here to do a campus drive. I'm coming from a company called Dotline. I deal with HR and operations, and unexpectedly I got a call from Ashwin sir. So he was saying about XLR solutions, and the way he approached us, saying that the candidates will be trained as per our requirements. Digital marketing was the immediate requirement. We have gone through the interview process. It was quite excited to see good number of talent pools in XLR. We could shortlist couple of them, and we have given some placements as well, even both for the full-time as well as internship. So overall our experience with XLR is nice, and we look forward for a long-term relationship with XLR and the excited team. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rupesh, and I work with Dotline as a performance marketeer, and I've got about like 15 plus years of experience. So today I happen to come here for the placement drive, rightfully matched few profiles based on the requirement that we had. I'm so happy that XLR did a great job in terms of getting the pool of talents out and training them, and lucky that we are here so that we got the right match and we were able to get it. And thank you so much, XLR. Thank you.
So hello guys, myself Mohammad Tarheeb. I am a graduate from aviation background, and then I thought of doing my course in digital marketing. So then XLR was the best opportunity for me. I took out digital marketing from them, and then I enhanced my skills in digital marketing. They offered me a campus drive in a company called Dotline. They gave us 3 days of good session for student development program, wherein they gave us a good opportunity of learning whatever the skills is required for the interview, for us to enhance our skills and then perform well in interview. So yeah, after the interview went well and I have got selected in Dotline Designs right now, and I am excited for the opportunity coming up.
Hi, I am Pinky. I did my MBA in HR. How I got to know about this institute is through Google. And then we got a wonderful trainer whose name is Azhar. He used to give theoretical ideas, and for this interview we had a prior 3-day session for just brushing up all the requirements needed to attend the interview, which is again a wonderful thing from XLR team. So I had a good experience in attending the interview session for Dotline company. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I hope all are doing good. So, Roshan, you can start the session. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So, very good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is loud and clear to everyone. Good evening, very good evening, guys. Okay, thank you, Akhil, for the confirmation. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Good evening, guys. Very good evening to all of you. Okay, some people are still joining. Anyways, so let's start our session. Very good evening to everyone. So let me share my screen. And what today we are covering? We are covering about the off-page SEO. We are continuing SEO part. And in SEO, today we will be covering about the off-page SEO and local SEO. And we will see how much we can cover so that we can continue tomorrow also if it is not finished by today. So again, let me increase the size of my screen so that it will be visible. And again, you all guys will be getting this in your LMS. All the documents are uploaded in the LMS as it is. So there is no changes. So please make sure you guys are accessing that. Now, again, what we have covered in SEO, if I just give a like a rapid, like you can say, breakdown what we have covered till now. So we started first day by understanding what is SEO, how much opportunities are there in SEO, like looking into the freelancing world, looking into the job market, how much jobs are there in the market, and how much salary are there for the SEO aspirants and all that. And then afterwards we started by understanding some of the terms. So when I say some of the term, like we understood about like what all jargons are there, like what is black hat SEO, what is like you can say gray hat SEO, white hat SEO, SERP, and some more words we understood about that. And then we did the keyword research, and where we go and we find out like how we can search the keyword with the three things that are very common. Like first, we have to see how much relevant it is. And then again, second thing is average monthly search volume. And the third was the competition. And sometime we have to look into the competition index to check if competition is similar of multiple keywords, then we can choose with the competition index formula. Means competition index directly we can see. So competition should be lower, average monthly search volume should be higher. This is how we choose the keywords. And then afterwards we went, and yesterday we talked about on-page SEO part, where we covered about all the on-page factors that is needed to be understood, how to write title, a description, how to use AI tools to write that, how to create the variations, and how we go in the WordPress website if it is, how we can go and we can do it by ourselves by installing the plugins and all that. Like an SEO plugin can do that. We have seen through the used SEO, like how we can go and how we can do that. Now we will take this further, and today we will continue our SEO part, and we will be talking about off-page SEO. So let's first understand the theoretical part, and then we will see the practical as well, like how we find the competitors off-page strategy, what they are doing and all that, and how we do what kind of submissions we need, and where I can find if I have to find more website to submit the backlink, how I will find that. So first of all, what is off-page SEO, guys? Off-page SEO is a link building technique that we do in the third-party website. Means what we do, we find third-party website and we go and we submit the link. So it just like act as a reference. For example, like let's understand why off-page SEO is important part in a SEO. For example, when Google crawl the internet, so Google go and check each and every content that is present on the internet, each and every page of the website. It goes to famous website, it goes to social media, it goes to every possible website that exists. And if Google find out your presence is there in multiple websites, and again that releases the signal. Signal means that gives Google like we are very serious about our business and our presence is across the internet, and that helps us to increase the authority. Similarly, similar to like if I give you very realistic example or very practical example. Now suppose guys there are two companies and one has lot of branches. Like suppose one company have more than 50 branches across India and one company has only one branches. So which company will have more trust, which company will have a more popular among people? If I say that, which company will be, guys, with the 50 location if they are present, or only one location they are present? What do you guys say? Like if it will be 1 or 50, more branches company across India. Yes, 50, 51. So that is why off-page SEO is needed. Brilliant. You go, all guys got understood the example. So just like that, in off-page SEO, the more the our presence is, the better it is. But again, we have to be here smart enough. When I say smart enough means we can use AI to excel our off-page SEO, but we should always focus on our, like you can say, quality rather than quantity. For example, have you seen like a lot of people leave the link on the YouTube? Check my website, follow for more, or digital marketing service as affordable rate. Please DM me and all that. Have you seen that? Like in YouTube, generally they give that, but that does not count in the backlink. Why? Because Google is smart enough. Google knows these people are spamming on other people content. They are promoting themselves without giving the context. So always what Google loves now when we help people. For example, there is any question anybody asked. What is the use of digital marketing? Why companies should like hire a freelancer or a digital marketing agency to do its digital marketing. So suppose if anyone asks this, we will let them know what is digital marketing, how digital marketing can be beneficial for their company. And then at the end, we recommend them, please check our, like you can say, prices. We do your end-to-end digital marketing at an affordable rate. So if Google find like that, Google is happy. Google thinks like, okay, we are helping people. At the same time, we are promoting ourselves, but our first priority is giving people the right information. So whenever you give right information, other than just promoting yourself, Google is very happy. Now, again, can we do and can we go and like submit the link in any kind of website? No, we have to pick the high quality website. So once I talked about high quality website, guys, we have to check three things. So what is that three things? One is this domain authority. That is what we call DA, what I am highlighting now. Now, what is this DA? DA is particularly overall domain score of the, like you can say, website. For example, xlr.com. So if I check DA, if DA is higher, so it tells the website overall is very good. So whenever we check DA, it gives us idea about overall website. Then we have PA, that is particular to a page. Like suppose I'm checking contact us page, xlr.com/contact, xlr.com /about us. So that will only tell me the authority of that page, means the quality of that page. Both is given like on the scale of 0 to 100. So 0 is the lowest, 100 is the highest. Higher it is, the better the quality of the website it is. And then apart from that, do we check anything else? Yes, we check spam score, that we call SS in short form. So what is that? It tells us about the quality of the content. If spam score is lesser, our content quality is excellent. Means we are doing a fantastic job in creating content. Our content is very good and is loved by Google and will be loved. If it is not, will be loved by Google and the audience as well. So how do we check these all things? For example, suppose I have to check for, let's start with the Excel. Suppose I have to check a DA, PA, and spam score. Three things we check for the quality, guys. So how we check that? We just go in Google, and if you type na DA, PA checker, there are tons of website you can go and you can check with. So again, you can check with the first. I usually check with dapachecker.org. But if you want, you can check from any other website as well. Now, once I go here, what I have to do, I will just open the website here, xlr.com. So if I just go here, now I will just copy this and I will go to DAPA checker and I can paste up to 5 web pages. So I can go and I can go ahead. Now suppose I want to check this, and also suppose I want to check other pages also, like suppose data science program, PG program in data science. This page also I want to check. So DA will be same for both. Why? Because the website is XLR only. but the pages are different. So suppose I want to check for these two. I will go and I will click on check authority. These are the free websites. So you will see a lot of ads coming. So just see that. Now here, if you see, now again, if you see DA is 40/40. So what does that mean? 40 is good. A very, like you can say, good website again, 40 means out of 100, 40 number is good. Then again, PA, if you check, so xlr.com, the homepage, have the highest PA like 51, and the xlr.com/PG program in data science and AI has, like, you can go and you can check, it is 37 basically. So again, if we compare these both pages, so xlr.com has the more authority, means it has a very good, like you can say, page as compared to this. Just like that, any website that we want. For example, like any website, if we go and we will talk about. So we will talk about today 4 to 5 categories of website where we can go and we can build the link. So that is how we will check. It's very simple. Like suppose if I want to find out for Flipkart, I will open Flipkart, guys. I will open Flipkart. Always open that and then copy. And once I copy here, then I can go in DAPA checker or just type DAPA checker. And you will find many. Suppose if you want to check with the first, you can go and you can do that. Just give the URL, click on I am not a robot, check a DAPA. And here you only have to see three things. Again, I repeat, DA, PA you have to check, and then again you have to check the spam score. So again, if you check the spam score, so if spam score is less, better it is. So just like that, here if I check spam score, see 4%, 4%. So out of 100, up to 7-8%, less than 10% is okay. But maximum, if you ask me, na, like how much the spam score could be. So maximum, I will always suggest you to submit the link in those websites who have less than 10% spam score. But suppose there are some, like you can say, review rating websites, or there are some websites like a community website or forum submission websites, question answer website. So those websites can have little bit higher spam score. Why? Because some people just leave the link, that again decreases their, like you can say, that decreases their quality and that increases their spam score. So maximum for only forum submission and I will say community website, you can consider up to 20 or 30, but general website should be under 10. The spam score should be. Now, again, apart from this, like first of all, when we go and we find the website, we make sure to check DA, PA, and spam score. This is how we check the quality of the website. Higher the DAPA, better the quality of that particular website and the page, and lower the spam score, better the quality of content generally. Then afterwards, if I go ahead here, after that, I have just given the link also. So you will be able to check that here, like how you can find it and all that. Now, I hope till now we are okay. I hope we got the point, like how to check the quality of any website, guys. I hope we will be able to do it. No, Flipkart ORG is different, Hers. We will be checking flipkart.com. Flipkart ORG is completely different. Okay, fantastic. Now, before making, we will be seeing here categories also. Q&A category, I will be seeing. I have given step by step for you. Then second, social bookmarking, we will be seeing. Image submission, we will be seeing. Forum submission, we will be seeing. And then blog commenting. So 5 category today's we will be seeing and all that. But before that, it's always a good idea to know the competitor. Now, suppose XLR has lot of competitor that they sells the digital marketing course or data analyst course and all that. For example, suppose for their data analytics course, like if I go here, if you see, they do provide lot of courses. So if I go here now, like suppose digital marketing program. So if I have to find the competitor of XLR for digital marketing program, what I can do, I can go and I can type the word digital marketing course in Bangalore. Suppose I type it. And then again, if I go ahead I will find the website like IIM Skills is ranking, PIIDM is ranking, and then Digital Academy 360 is ranking, IID and all that is ranking and all that. So a couple of websites are ranking. Now suppose I want to find this website, like, okay, what all submissions they have done, what like categories of website they have done that. So what I will do here, I will go and see this is the page that is ranking. So I will copy this, and here there's a website that I have given in our notes also. You will be able to go and you will be able to check. So how you check that? It's like the website name is SEO review tool backlink checker. SEO review tool backlink checker. So again, if I go ahead here, you will be able to find free backlink checker. And once I go ahead here, I will just enter the URL. And then here, again, two options you have. One is domain and one is page. So domain we will be using if I have to find all the backlinks related to that particular website. But if I suppose I only want to find the backlink that has been created for this page, so I will go and I will select the page option. Then I will select here, I am not a robot, and then perform check. So again, I'm repeating here, two options are there, guys. Domain, when we will choose, when we want to find out all the backlinks of the website, and page when we want to a page, a particular page, how many backlinks they have created and all that. And then we will click on perform check. So once we perform check, we will just wait here, let it load. It will just take a minor second. Now again, if I go ahead here, now again you can see what we can find here. We will be able to find only four link. So four link are there here. Like again, let's understand first what those four link are there and what all this data is there. So first is this URL, basically like from which website they are getting the link and all. Then there is a anchor text, like on what word they have put the link. And then here we can see if it is follow and no follow. Now, what is follow and no follow? Follow link is like Google can go and save that link on the database. No follow link is we give instruction to Google not to follow that link. Now, what is no follow link? Google knows about that link, but again, Google does not have generally, like you can say, Google does not save that. But how website does that? So website does that with a code that is called as no index code. So no index code for WordPress or for like general website also there is there. So what it does is like generally, if I just go index code example, so I'm just showing you how it looks like. Will give you just an idea. So this is the code. So whatever page now, they don't want Google to save the data from that page. They just go and put that this tag. This tag is called as no index tag. So they put so that they want Google not to save the data. Now, why this is like some people use that it is firstly being used by like you can say e-commerce website. Like why? Because suppose if you go and if you try to search my cart or search my wish list, you won't be able to get my wish list or cart of Amazon. Like I use Amazon, but if you go and if you type suppose Kautilya Roshan Amazon wish list. So again, you won't be finding why you will won't be finding that because these website have marked that as a spam. Means sorry, these website have marked that as a no index tag basically. So that is where that links is called as no follow link. So again, it is almost impossible to make a link in only website that allow Google to save the database. Still we try our best, but again it will be having the mixture of follow and no follow. Now if I change that to here domain, and I just show you here for the whole domain, if we check, we will get a lot of backlink. If I just go and if I click on this perform check, let's wait for a minute. So again, once you go that, see 2.1K backlinks are there. And you can say from how many domains, means website they are getting that. So these two data is good. And then domain authority. So domain authority is 24. Now if I scroll down here, now again I can go and I can see from where generally they are getting the data. So they are getting the data from PIDM, Post Digital Marketing Course, Pune and all that. Then again, PIDM websites itself, internal link and all that. I can go and I can check here. And then after that, if I go ahead here, PIDM and all that is there. So if I scroll down, I will be able to find all the links that they have generated. Like see here, this is the third party website. Now again, if I go ahead here, I can check this DNPA of the website. So again, if you see in the left hand side, generally, so I will be able to get, this is the DA, like domain authority. So if I check the competitors backlink, I will get an idea what is the DA of the website where they are submitting the link and all that. So just like that, suppose I want to go and I want to check for the competitor, like suppose Simply Learn. Simply, what you have to do if you have to find that, just go to simplylearn.com, copy. I will go to this backlink checker, like SEO review tool backlink checker website, SEO review tool backlink checker, and free backlink checker. And then just give the URL and choose domain or a page you want. Then click on I am not a robot and perform check. So once you perform check here, you will be able to know what all websites Simply Learn is making the link. See now how many backlinks they have, 3.47 million. And how many domains from where they are getting backlinks? 63,200 maybe backlink means website where they are getting the backlinks. And the domain authority of Simply Learn is 78. Now again, if I go, see they are getting from Wikipedia, they are getting from other website here. Like for example, an anchor text. What is anchor text, guys? Whatever words on which they have the link. So again, if I go ahead and I check that, so one by one, you can check that and see the DA also you can see 81. So that is again an excellent link. So this is again, I think it is in Persian. If I just change that to English, I still doubt if I will be able to understand this. So again, in this website, they have given the link. So this is a Persian website. Let's check some English website. See in the Forbes also they have. If I go here and if I click, now again, Forbes have excellent DA. Forbes website is very popular. 80, like again, a domain authority is there. So again, if you go here, digital marketing expert, and if I just see here, let me see. Just a second, lot of ads are coming. Website authority. And we can see also what improve the quality of your leads. So again, let's just Control F and let's search improve quality. Just let me search here. Improves the quality of leads. So if I go here and I will just search, see here. So again, if you see, if I click on this, see this, what is this? Forbes website. Again, if I click on this link, see where it is going. It is going to Simply Learn website. So this is what we call that off-page SEO. And this is how I can go and I can check one by one of my competitor, what kind of website they are making, what exactly they are making the link, their strategy and all. So this is a free tool that gives you almost access of around 100 of links. Apart from that, if you want more, you can have paid tools. You can go and you can subscribe to their, like you can say, basically their plans and all, and they can give you. And also there are many websites like Ahref backlink checker, Ahref backlink checker. So you can just go to this Ahref free backlink checker. And once you go, you just give the website URL. Like I will go simplylearn.com, and then I can give here, and I will just go check backlinks. Once I click on check backlinks, I will be able to find it. See. But again, the problem is like you won't be finding lot of detail like a DA and all that, no follow, do follow what is there. You won't be able to do that. Whether in this backlink checker review tool, you will be able to find that. So I hope it is clear how we can check one by one. If we have free tool, 100 links we can check to get an idea what is the strategy. But if we buy that paid version, we will be able to check even every single link. So are we clear on this, guys? How we check? Okay. So please explain meaning. Backlink is creating link in third-party website. Sadhu. It's all about creating link, going in third party, adding valuable information, and like referring to your website. Like suppose my website is, for example, a So I will be giving like, okay, how digital marketing can change, people can change career in digital marketing and still it can be rewarding. And that at the end I can give please check out my blog on careers option in digital marketing. Okay, fantastic. DA is domain authority, PA is page authority. DA is about overall domain score, PA is about only that particular page. Anchor text on the word which you give the link. Like this word is the anchor text here. This word is anchor text because Simply Learn has made link on this word. So this is anchor text. So anchor text is the word on which we give the link because we are referring. So more from more website, if we are getting reference, Soumya, the more chances we will be ranking and all that. I hope now clear all your questions. How backlink effect and what is anchor text, difference between our DAPA and all that, DAPA full form. I have taken all that. Okay, perfect. So no follow is like Google will not save that in the database. How it is done? With a no follow tag. So there is a no follow tag that generally no follow, no index tag that generally, if I go, this is one example. So this is what some, like you can say, wait, no index tag example. So this tag generally is, if I just go here, this is how it looks like, this one. So this is done so that they don't want Google to save that link in the database. Why? Because maybe due to any of their personal reasons. Because website like Forbes and all, they keep on publishing lot of article. So every article, if it will be saved in the Google database, so they might be in problem like suppose they have not cross-checked and they are recommending anything and all that. So that might create issue. So that's why some of the time the content they put this tag in the backend to make it no follow. But please make sure you try maximum for follow link, but there will be not any single website that has only follow. Even if you check for Flipkart, like suppose Flipkart is there and I want to check for Flipkart. Now again, let's see Flipkart, if Flipkart has only follow link or not. So there is no website that exists in the market that only have the follow link. You have to contact Forbes and then you have to pay because that comes under guest posting. Means if I go ahead, daily limit reached. Okay. For this again, daily limits reached. So again, I won't be able to find it for this. So again, see, it just give you 2 3 searches per day. So please make sure whenever you are doing for free, you should make like you search 1 or 2 times, not more times and all that. Yes, this is used to go that like you can say generally to make that generally our website authority increase. Once the authority increase, again automatically our ranking increase. It is very simple, guys. Suppose uh, today, suppose five like you can say top news website, like suppose Forbes, Times Now, or The Hindu, Times of India and all will write article about me. So again, my authority about in digital marketing will increase or not? Yes or no? What do you guys say? Like if suppose today itself on night they write the article, like okay, Patil Roshan is one like trainer and all, he teaches this and all. The same way happens with our website. So if you generate the backlinks, if you make backlinks in the quality website, it will always will be helpful for you and all that generally. So that is where we have to make sure. They have their, like suppose if you go to Forbes for this, you go, you can contact either, we call that PR activities or generally. So you can go either, you can contact them directly. The chances are very less to contact them and all that. So you can go and you can contact them for editorial, for and all that generally, and then you can talk with them, or you can go in Google and you can type PR agencies, PR agencies for article submissions in newspaper. So again, you will go and you will find here, see, hyperlink spark number one of on the services. So you can go and you can take, there are a lot of ads and there will be a lot of like organic results also. So you can go and you can find it here. See, again, if you give the name, designation, estimate, budget, whatever your monthly budget is there and all that. So suppose my budget is 25,000 and all that. So again, the requirement and all whatever is there. So again, they can help you out with that. So there are many, you have to talk with them and then you go ahead. Now let's talk about types of categories, like 5 most important categories where we can make the link. So 2 things are important. Again, I'm saying one thing is like checking the quality of the website, and second thing is important, making sure we are giving quality content in those website and leaving the link. So we will just check how we can make the quality content and how we can use AI also to generate that within a few minutes and all. Now suppose the first category that we will be talking today, guys, is Q&A website and Quora. So how many of you already use Quora? Have we know about Quora, guys? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. Okay. I can see a lot of yes. Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. So now this stop. Okay. Perfect. Now let me tell you how you can submit the link for your client, or suppose if you will make your own website tomorrow, how you can get the quality of links from Quora. So first of all, what we do, let me just delete all the other things. So first we will go ahead and we will check the quality of Quora. So how we will check the quality of Quora? We will go here and we will talk about DA, PA checker, and just I can check with any DAPA checker. I will go Quora.com, copy, and I will just give the domain, and I am not a robot, and check DAPA. And once I check, see here, now DA is 93. That is very good. Out of 100, 93 is excellent. It's just like excellent. I must do submission in this. And then PA 79, that is also good. Spam score little bit on the higher side, but I said since this is a community website where anyone can go and they can like give the answers and all that. So that's why the spam score is higher. Sometimes people only give the link and all that. Now suppose I am doing suppose off-page activity for XLR. So what I will do here is, first I will find people that is asking question related to the topic. So suppose if I'm doing for their data science course, suppose I will go here and I will search here data science course, and I will just search here. Once I go and once I search here data science course, see there are a lot of questions that people is asking and all. Suppose I start with the first one. First, though, you will make account by sign up. When you go to Quora.com, you just sign up. Like I have the account. Let me show you here. Okay, let me go and let me show you the account. So I have given here the detail like what I do, who I am, and all that. And I have given my LinkedIn also that people can reach out to me. Then again, I have given the credentials and all that. And again, I sometimes give the answer. I do not give on regularly because currently I'm not working as a SEO freelancing. Generally, I'm working as a consultant. So consultant, like you can say, a particularly job is to guide people. It's not to do the work and all that. But first you make the profile by doing sign up, then you find the questions that are relevant. Now suppose this questions and all that. Now again, if I go ahead here, generally, now again, if I want to give, okay, I might have written the question. Wait, let me take, let me give answers. Yeah. Suppose which institute is the best for data science course in Bangalore? So here, please listen to me very carefully. Here we never go and we say directly, I know an institute XLR that is best. You can check and you can enroll in their free demo. Now you will never ever do like that. Why? Because if you do that, Google will know you are just promoting your website, and just for sake of backlinking, you are creating the content and you are giving that. So what I can do here is basically, first though, I will go to XLR website. And we remember guys, Perplexity website. Why should the be the average? It should be less than 10%, Himanshu. If it is less than 5%, it is very okay website. There is no problem. Maximum, if you say less than 10%, only exception will be community website. Community forum website where a lot of people go and they give their opinion and all. Those where will be the, like you can say exception, where little bit higher spam score also is okay. But in other than that, try to have under 10%. Now, do we know, guys, like a Perplexity AI, we remember? Perplex, okay, I have given the wrong spelling. Wait, Perplexity AI. So I hope you guys remember this. So what was this? This was the tool where we can use easily the summary. So what I will do, since my question is relatable to, like you can say here, if I go, my question is relatable for data science course. So I will go in the XLR and I will find the data science program. Now again, if I go here, so I will not go for PG program. I will go for this data science course, and like you can say, or certifications, or this machine learning. So I will go to the second course, because again, people are asking about data science course. So I will take this. Now I will copy this link here. And then again, we will use Perplexity AI, and I will give here, and then shift plus enter and tell, give me all the important point, point for this page. So once we go and once we give the very important point of this page and give in bullet points, and don't miss any important information, important information. And then I will just enter. See, I am using the free version itself. Now again, I will go and I will just wait. Now again, you will find here they have given in bullet points. I will just copy it. Now I will go to Gemini AI or ChatGPT. whatever you like it and all that. So I'm going to ChatGPT because I'm a ChatGPT user. So I can go ahead in the ChatGPT here. I will go and try ChatGPT. Now again, ChatGPT 3.5 is the free version. So suppose most of you are using free version. So I'm just showing you with the free version only. So 3.5 is available to anyone. Now I will go here and I will give this and I will just remove this citation part. And what I will do here is like I will put that here. I will just put this information in double inverted comma. And when we use this double inverted comma, when we want to tell AI, this is very important information. So I will go and I will just put that double inverted comma, shift plus enter, then write the questions. What are the questions? So this is the question. Go in the AI and tell, write the question, and then afterwards tell it, I want you to give, or I want you to write an answer, write an answer to this question, but write for educational purpose, and at the last, give link for people to explore more or book the demo class today. Demo class today. Now again, see what I am doing here, guys. What I did, I just copied the information that I got from Perplexity AI. And then here, I have written here, which institute is the best for data science Bangalore. Now again, shift plus enter so that it will not confuse. And then I have written, I want you to write an answer to this question. And here I will say, but write for educational purpose, and at the last give link for people to explore more or book the demo of the class. Then I will give it link. So I will go and I will say link. So link is here. If I go to the, like you can say, if I go here, suppose this was link. So I will go and I will give it the link. So this is the link. And then I will enter. So I've written very basic prompt here. I want you to write an answer to this question, but write in educational purpose. And at last give the link and all that. Then afterwards, I will just enter and just wait here. So now again, it is not providing me good. How I know? See, based upon detail provided, XLR is not. So you have to say, don't write based upon the information provided. You have to write and write only, write the answer and in bullet points, and do give realistic example how one can choose a course, how one can choose a course. And then at last do promotion of XLR. Now again, see what I did. I tried with the basic prompt, but what happens generally, it just got confused and it is giving me as per the information provided. So certainly I cannot use that. So again, what I did here, see, don't write based upon the information provided. You have to only write the answer in bullet points. So again, if I go and do give realistic example how one can choose a course, and then at last do promotion of XLR, and just I will enter here. Now see the answers that is it giving, and I'm using the free version only so that everyone has the access of this. Now let it give, then we will read out. Now again see here. Now let's just read out together. By reading it out, what do you think? Can we post this answer directly? Will it work? Just read that out first. Everyone read that out and tell me if we can. So again, if you go ahead and see, now again, if you see here, see at the last it is giving. So again, it will make a lot of sense when we do that. And I use the free tool only. So now with the help of this, like not guess, like Sadhu, you can use this. Definitely, if you write it by yourself, it will take half an hour to 1 hour. And what we did was just within 5 minutes, it is ready. So if suppose my company has given task to just go and write answers in Quora, so again, I can write lot of answers in a day. Suppose I'm working for part-time also in like 1 hour, I will be certainly able to write at least 10 answers. So in 1 hour, my work 10 answer will be done. But suppose if I will not use AI, so again, it might take my whole day and all that to write that and all. So this is how you will be going and you can write that. So what were the steps? First, we use perplexity. And see, whenever you use AI, so again, if you ask if it is safe and all that, see, AI obviously will take your data. So if you are using the data and all that, generally, so again, if you have so much concern about your security, have two phones or have one browser where like you use these all tools and all, where you are not signed in or logged in with anything else and all that. So please keep that in mind. So what I did, Perplexity AI, and then I went to ChatGPT and I made it write the answer that is informative also, that can be helpful also. And then what I can do for image creation, what I can do here is I can go and I can use ideogram. So I can go to ideogram best. So again, I can go data science course in Bangalore. Data science course in Bangalore. I can go and I can go here, ideogram. And again, if I go, I will just use it and I will create the prompt. So whatever images size I want, like suppose I want 1:1, I will just generate it. Now again, I can go and I can use, so again, you can see I can use this images and all that data science. But again, this again has given, like you can say, particularly not given me correct. So what I will do, I will say data science course in Bangalore, and I will go to typography. So what is typography? It will be typing. So let's go, and now again there is a wait. So again, I have to wait for 100 seconds. So again, you can use it to make the images quickly, or again, you can use Bing AI also. So suppose if you go ahead, I can go to Bing AI. How you will use that? Microsoft Edge. And in Microsoft Edge, just let it open. Now again, if I go ahead, now again, if I go in the Microsoft Edge, just please make sure you do the sign up. What is sign up? You can go and you can sign up with your email ID, like I have done with one of my email ID. And then afterwards, just go and type Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator. So once you go and once you type that, then afterwards, if I go ahead, I paste it and then create. And I will give some information, create a image written exactly the same sentence. And then I can go and I can click on create. Now I will just wait. So it may also give me little bit wrong images, but if it is okay, I can use it directly, or you can use Canva and all that to create, and it can be again helpful for you. Now again, data science. So I think I can use it. See, thus we can go and we can use it. Data science. Again, I can use this images, or I can use this images also. Again, and again, or I can use this images also. This also makes sense. So I can go and I can just download and I can use it. So that will save my time, because when you post the like you can say with pictures and all that, it tends to have more views and all. So I can just select the picture. I can go and I can select the picture. And then afterwards, I can go and I can write here and all. So that is how we will be able to write the answers for any of our clients that we are working for, like you can say any niche and all that. And we can take a help of AI tools and we will be able to do that. Now let's move to the second part. So I hope this is clear now, how to create the images and how to create the answers, guys. Attendance you will be getting, don't worry. It's 1 hour is left. You will be definitely getting that. Is it clear, guys? Give me yes if it is clear. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much for typing, guys. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Now let's go and let's see the second type and all. So total 5 types we will see today. Now again, second type is like, okay, perfect. Now again, the second type is, let me just delete what other thing is there. So let's delete the Quora. Yeah. Now again, the second thing is I have written here all the steps. So again, you can use ideogram or you can use the Bing AI, whatever you like. Now again, second type is social bookmarking site. So what is social bookmarking site, guys? It is lesser known social media site. So lesser known social media site like Tumblr. So Tumblr is a one website where again we can go and we can continuously upload the content, and we can use AI to create the content. For example, I can go to the Tumblr. Now again, if I go here to the Tumblr, so if I go to the Tumblr, sorry, it's like tumblr.com. So if you go to Tumblr, and once we go to the Tumblr here, now again, if I go ahead, whatever I want to post and all that. I can go and I can post that. How I can post that? Generally, I can go first though you have to make the account. So you have to go and you have to sign up using your Gmail ID. So first my advice will be always go, and always my advice will be create a new Gmail ID, create a new Gmail ID, or ask from your client or your company to provide. If they provide, that is good. If they don't provide, create a new Gmail ID and share that with the client also for whom you are working and all, or the company that you are working and all that. So once you do that, then you use that email ID to do all this activity like signing up in the Quora, signing up in the Tumblr. And once you end up signing up is very easy. Like for example, if I go, if I just show you, like if I go to the Tumblr, tumblr.com. So if I go here to the Tumblr, see, sign me up. So just you continue with the Google and you will be able to sign up and all that. And then afterwards sign up, what you can do here is, suppose if I go, now I can post the photo. So if you see here the options and all that, generally, I can go and you can see here, you will be able to see the options and all that. So you will be see the options like you can say, like text, photos, quotas, direct link also I can publish. So I can click on the link. Now again, suppose I want the link. Suppose I want to promote XLR. So I can go here and I can go ahead and I can give the link. What I love about this Tumblr, when you paste the link, now automatically it takes the detail. Like let's wait and just wait. So once I just insert the link and all that, now, apart from link, I can write that also. This time they have not taken that, but again I can write. So suppose I want to write about XLR summary and all that. So I can go and I can again use the AI tools and all that. Or suppose I want to write this global reader in training and all that. So I can go and I can write here. And once I go and I write here, then again I can add the tag. So digital marketing, online marketing, or suppose data science, and then again digital marketing course, whatever I want, I can do and post now. So once I post that and all that, generally, once it is post, I can go here. Now again, you can see it has come. Now again, if people find it, people will be able to find this and all that. Just like that, if I want, na, I can post the photo I can make from AI, and I will be able to make the upload the images from web, like you can paste the link and all that. So again, if I go ahead, suppose if I give here xlr.com. So sometimes it does take the images directly from the link. So if I go insert, so again, this URL they have taken, but they have not taken the picture. So I have to give the picture URL. So how we take the picture URL? So for example, if I go, let me show you. Generally, if you use WordPress now, like let me just show you. Just wait. Let me log in. And if I go here, and here if I go ahead, now again, if I go to my website, suppose if I just go to the dashboard, admin panel, and if I have to take any image URL and all. So the thing is that image URL should be public. So again, there is a media section in the website backend. So again, we can go here in the website backend. So once I go to this library, see, suppose any images, like suppose I want this image. So this is the file URL. I can copy. Once I copy there and all, I can go and I can write. But the website should be live. My website is not live. So if it is live and all that, no, like if I want images, So I can paste the link and insert. So again, if it is live, see, it has taken that. So this is how it will be taken, because it is not live, but I am not make it hidden, like I am not using no index tag and all. So that's why it may have taken that. So just like that, we can go and we can write anything and we can post. And also we can go and we can write. Suppose I need to write about XLR link I have to give. I can go and I can give you the link and insert, and then afterwards tag whatever tag that you want and just post now. Once you post and all, it will be posted and all that. So again, once it is posted, like let's just wait here. Let me refresh it. Now again, you can see. So again, if people go and they click, they can go here to the link. For example, if you go, they can see this link. If they click on digital marketing, now again, all the top digital marketing are related things you can see. And if I just go, I think, okay, that link is not posted here. Again, if I go ahead, just a second, if I just go, let me give the link. Just a second. If I paste the link, insert, then save. Now also if I go, no, it is not working. So again, what we can do whenever you write, for example, if I write now, I have to write, like for example, whenever I am doing with the photos, like suppose if I am inserting the photos and all that. So suppose I use this and I insert the photo. So when I insert the photo and all that, then afterwards, what I can do here is when I write like learn more and then afterwards, I can give the link directly, xlr.com. But please make sure you give the additional value and all that, and then generally you post. So once you post and all that, once you go and once you post that link and all that, so that again will be helpful. For example, let me refresh it. Now again, see more at xlr.com and all. So again, here like this, you can publish, or else directly you can go to the text. You can write here the title, like suppose the best course of Bangalore. And then here again, I can go and I can write, for example, global learning. So suppose I want to give this, I can write as a description. And then afterwards, I can go and I can give the link. So for example, suppose I want to put links here. So I can go and I can put the link. So I want to put link on xlr.com. So I can go and I can give that done. And once it is done, now again I can post. I can include the pictures also. How I can include that? If I go, no, this is a text, so I can't include the picture. If I go ahead here, just a second. Once I go, yeah, I can include pictures. Once you go now, once you type, here is the image. So I can just go and I can have the images, whatever images that I want. I can go and I can upload that. So suppose if I have the images, I can upload from the computer. Like suppose if I go ahead, so suppose this, I upload it and then again I post it. So once I posted here, I will just wait here. Now again, see this link is now working. So you have to check like this, explore like this. Now again, one link will be made and all that. And you can see again the images they have taken whatever text that I want. So like this you can do. And if you check this Tumblr DAPA, because that is the first thing that we check. So we can go here dapachecker.org. So if I go ahead, I will just publish, check authority. And again, see 86, see spam score is little bit higher, like out of 100, 28%. Still, I will say higher, but see DA is 86 and check PA, it's 100. So it is like a community website where people are going and posting. So this as an exception I can take. Why? Because it is like a social media platform and all that. So I hope we are clear on this. Tumblr, like social media, like social bookmarking websites. I hope you guys will be able to do it now. Give me yes. Okay. What about other people? Okay. Perfect. What was your question, Hers? Can you type again? No, no, it has nothing to do with hashtag. It is just like tag so that it is easier for people to find content. Like suppose if I tagged on digital marketing course, so if people click, they will get all the posts related to digital marketing. So it is done for the help of the user so that they can find all the posts related to that taggers. As a professional for building links, it is useful. So we can go and we can on regular interval, you can go and you can do. No, that is social media. You can be consistent, but here, whatever you want, you can change daily also. It depends upon your services. So if you are asking me if I have to stick to one tag on Tumblr, no. It depends upon what content you are promoting that day, what content you are writing based upon that. Not everyone, but certainly people who it is public. It is public. Certainly people who wants to go and who wants to find, for example, like see, for example, if I go here, like if I go to the hashtag, like suppose this digital marketing, once I click on now, all the top, whichever is using hashtag digital marketing, they will be able to find that. It's a lifelong process, Prashant. So it's not like I will create 500 and I will stop. Till your website is live, till you want to be on the top of the Google, you have to keep doing that. You have to keep helping people and you have to keep doing for the other categories as well. Now let's go to the third one, guys. Now the third one is, if you go, that is image submission. Most of you might be knowing that that is Pinterest. So how many of you uses Pinterest, guys? How many of you uses Pinterest? Do we use Pinterest? Okay. I can see lot of yes. Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. What those people who does not use that, again, you just need to go to Pinterest and you need to make the account. How you make the account? With the Gmail and all that. So again, you can go and you can particularly make the account. Like I have just a dummy account where I am not at all active, but you can create the account. You can see like with the Gmail, I have created that and all. And once you create the account and all that, so once you create the account and all that, normally, so I can go here and I can go ahead for create pin option. So this is my business account. So what is business and normal account? Normal account, also you can post. Business account give you some of the analytics features, audience insight features and all that. So any normal account you can go and you can convert that to business account and all that. And then afterwards, once you convert that to business account, like other social media, it will be giving you the analytics and all that. Then after that, if you go ahead here, generally, so if I go, I will click on create pin. So when you click on create pin here, now what you can do, you can choose the images. So again, like suppose if I want some images. Now if I go ahead, suppose this AI tool collections, I want to post this. So I will give here the title. So suppose here the title is save 20 up to 2,500 with these tools. Again, if I go these AI tools, and then there's just the description. Must have tools for digital marketing. So must have tools for digital marketing and business owners. Business owners. And then I can add the link. So suppose I want to give the link of my LinkedIn, for example, because I haven't created my website till yet. Like it is not built yet fully. So again, if I go, suppose I want to give this link. So I can go and I can add the link here. And then afterwards, I can choose the board. If you don't have any board, you can create the board. This is for you. It is just like folder where it will be saved. So suppose I want on digital. And again, tag topic. So suppose AI tools, AI tools. So AI tools. So it is like public as a later date, but again, I won't make it public. This is for me. And then I can go and I can publish this. So what will happen? Like suppose if I publish, now people who will be able to see this content, now, if I go here and I just go to the home feed. So again, if I go to the home feed, see, similar to me, many people have posted here. So again, if I click on this now, if I click view image, or if they have the given the link and all that. So again, if I click on that, I will be able to view the image. But if I have given the website, like just a second, let me go and let me go here to my profile again, profile. And if I just go to my profile here, now again, if you see, this is the post that I did. So again, if I click on that, now just a second, if anyone clicks on this, okay, there might be some issues at Pinterest. So again, somebody clicks on that, no, they will be able to go to my LinkedIn profile and all that. So just like that, if I want, if I am doing for any client, I can give that. And always remember, in LinkedIn, infographic content like information in graphical form, or you can say like lot of charts and all that list and all you can do. Now, where to create that? There is a tool called Canva. How many of you uses Canva, guys? If it is your website, you can do that, Prashant. If it is other website, it's just like, suppose you have a poster in your home. So I can't go and I can remove that. I have to tell you, Prashant, can you please go and remove that for me? So if they want, they can remove, but it is not still not guaranteed. Okay, perfect. Lot of people. So you can convert. There is an option. If you see closely, you will get that converting to the business profile. Now, again, Canva, it's very easy tool. If you haven't used, do use that, guys. It's very easy tool. I use it a lot for my client users and all. And when I go create a design, and then when I go ahead and all that, generally, I go and I get it. So when I go here, what I do, I can search for infographics. Infographics. And once I go infographics, so again, you can choose here. Suppose I choose infographic first one. There are tons of infographics that can be used for a free. Like see this. Now again, I can increase the size. I can double click and I can change and I can write whatever I want and all. I can write here, like suppose my name. I can go and I can write here design process, or suppose marketing process. If I want, I can go and I can write it. So if I want to change the color, you can go change the color. Like first you select and then you can change the color, whatever you want. You can go and you can do, then click on share and then download. And just like that, you can have many images that you can go and you can publish on the Pinterest on regular interval and all that. And especially infographics, again, you can't create with AI because AI will create tons of mistakes. Normal images are good to create with AI. Infographics, again, use Canva. It is very good tool, and lot of free templates you can get and you can easily make it. Then afterwards, if I talked about today's, like if I go to fourth one, that is forum submissions. Now, what is forum submissions website? If we talked about, So forum submissions will be generally, it's like one website that is there is Reddit. So after completing this 5 website, we will be seeing if I have to find more website, how we can do that. Now Reddit, how many of you have heard about it, guys? Reddit, have we heard? Attendance link you will be getting. Our team will be giving you. Please wait, it's 45 minutes is left. Okay, I am getting lot of yes. So for people who does not know about Reddit, Reddit is a forum platform, like community platform where people talk, where people give their opinions and all that. Like if I show you by going to Reddit, again you need to sign up before making the link. So again, if I go to Reddit, so if I go to Reddit, again, I have to, you guys can see, I have to sign up. So suppose I sign up with this account that I use for practice purpose and all that. Now, again, my profile is created and all. Now, again, you can go and you can make the changes. You can view profile. You can edit all the informations and all that. For example, you can go, you can add the pictures, a name and all that is there and all. General display name, description, avatar, banner, social link, whatever you want, you can go and you can give the informations there. Then afterwards, in Reddit, similar to Quora, now in Quora, what is difference between Reddit and Quora? Quora is a direct answer platform. Like suppose if I have a questions, like suppose I want to know like, okay, what is the average salary of digital marketer? I can go and I can directly give it in Quora. But in Reddit, it will be like a discussion. So I have to see the discussion. Now what I can do here is I can go like suppose if I want to see the discussion, digital marketing course. So again, if I go, see there are a lot of communities. First, though, I have to join them one by one. It's not like I can join by one only. So suppose I join in this first community. If I go ahead. Now, again, if you go ahead here, you can see one by one questions are there. So see whichever is useful for you. So for example, like suppose this one. I found out this one is interesting. Now what I can do, see, there if you go ahead and all that, there you will find the URL, live chat. So again, people have different things and all. Now again, if you go ahead here, now what you can do, you can copy this URL generally. You can try with again Perplexity AI. I can go to this Perplexity AI, and once I go here, I will go, and then afterwards I will paste here and I will say, I want you to tell me what this topic is about and what people are talking there, and don't miss any important comment on this URL. So what I have written, again, let me enlarge it. So I just have given the URL directly and I told it, I want you to tell me, like here, let me, what this topic is about and what people tells that. So again, I will just go and I will put that in double inverted comma and let's just enter and see here. Now, this topic of Reddit is about finding the best and all that. The moderator emphasizes one commenter express this frustrations and all that. So again, what I will do, I will just copy this and I will go to ChatGPT. So why I'm using Perplexity? To get an idea, generally to do it quickly. If you have time, you can read it one by one, but if you don't have time, you can use my tricks. And then after that, I can go to ChatGPT here, Chat a GPT. And once I go, I will just copy this. I will go. And now I will tell it here. This topic of this Reddit thread is about finding. So this is the topic. I will just go and I will keep it in double inverted comma. Then afterwards, I will say, again, I will go and I will copy this topic. Why? Because I want ChatGPT to clearly understand it. I will go and I will say topic of discussion is keeping above information in mind. Please write a opinion keeping all comments and author words in mind. So what I done, again, I am showing you, I just gone to Perplexity AI. I take in the all the informations there and all that. Once I take in the informations and all that, then what I did, I went to ChatGPT, I copied it, I pasted it, I removed the citation link, and then afterwards I written topic of discussion. What is the topic of discussion is and all that. Like here in double inverted comma, and then I just write it here. Keep above information in mind. Please write our opinion, keeping all comments and author word in mind as you are commenting on the post. Commenting on the post. So this is very like similar that I write. Now what I done here, and just I will enter. And now just wait. Now again, see, it is writing in third person. So I have to stop it. Please write as you are commenting. Don't write in third person. So again, free version, sometime it gives you bad results. So you have to tell them. So that's why never ever believe AI at the first go. Read that and then check that. So in the don't write in third person. Now again see. Now again see it just changes. Now again, if I have to make it interesting, I will say write in heading. If you have to make it interesting, write in heading and subheadings and use emoji and just enter. See here now again. So how much time it took us? It just took us 5 minutes if you do, though I was showing you, so it took me more time. But again, if you will do it regularly, it will take your 5 minutes time generally. So again, if you see here, 5 minutes time and all that, so that again will be helpful for you to go and to find it. Now again here, like you can see, now again just read that out. Is it good in the free version? Can we post it? Yes or no? Just read that out first. Don't say directly yes. Please read that out. So again, if you see, if I just go ahead, you can see here for those exploring tools, create clarity on specific need is the key, choose software and all that. Attendance you will be getting, it's like still half an hour is left, guys. You guys will be getting attendance link. Don't worry. Our team is there. They will be sharing in a while. In 15 minutes, they will start sharing 15-20 minutes. Okay, what about other people? Is it good? Can we directly post it? Is it making sense? What we are studying today? Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, now let's go and let's see here the last one, block commenting and all that. And then we will see how to find the different ways of like doing the link and all that. So if I go and if I talked about the different ways of doing link, if I talked about, so that again will be like how we find that. But before that, let's go to the block commenting. So if I talked about blog commenting, so again, I have given one example, Neil Patel blog, but whenever you have to find the blog commenting website, you just go, for example, I just go in Google and I can search blog commenting website and I will find many. Neil Patel, I think it does allow sometime the comment, but sometime he does not allow. So let's see if he is allowing today. Neil Patel blog. So he's again a very popular people in terms of like you can say a digital marketer. So if I go to his blog, like suppose if I go to his blog. Now again, first thing that irritates me over his website is he always ask me, I will take that doubt. Please wait, let me finish. We will be then taking the questions, guys. Now again, if I go ahead here, now again, I have to do. So again, you will see what is problem here with Neil Patel. If I'm going and clicking, I'm not able. Okay, now let's go. Where you will find the comment section, it will be at the end. So at the end, if you can see the comment, so again, there is a share option, but the comment option he has blocked. So now they have blocked the comment option. So how I will find other website? We will go in Google and we will say, suppose I am on the digital marketing, like you can say service or digital marketing, like company and all. I'm creating like blog commenting for them. So I will go and I will say digital marketing blog commenting website, blog commenting website. And here if I go digital marketing blog commenting website and just enter. Now again, you will see 100 of blog commenting websites, high quality blog commenting and all that. Now again, I can go one by one, I can check that, scroll down and you will be finding here the options like identify your niche. And now here see, Neil Patel blog, again he has blocked. So we can't do that. Now again, if I go to Yoast, till like last week, he was allowing, but I think this week he might have blocked. Now again, no worries. We can still go to this yoast.seo/SEO blogs. Now again, if I go ahead, I can go and I can read out their blogs. So once I go ahead, see their blogs and all that. And then afterwards, if I go ahead here, if I see that, leave a comment option. Now I can leave the comment. So similar way, what you can do, like you can copy this, go to Perplexity AI, and again, new thread, paste it and say, tell me the important point of this blog and just enter. And just copy this. Now again, if I go here, again I will go to ChatGPT. I will just go here, ChatGPT and all that. And then after that, I will paste it here. And then I will just go and I will say, please write a comment based on the above information. And keep the comment short because comment cannot be too big. See, like you can say, my perspective can be big. Like in forum submission, I can write a big line, but comment is always less, guys. So always remember that. In the above information and write in concise form and do tell it now upfront only. Write in first person. Write in first person as you are you are writing comments. Writing comments by all of yourself and just enter. Now it's still it is giving me little bit. Let's see what it goes. Again, if I go, I will say concise it and write in bullet points and just I will enter. See here. Again, I can take, suppose if I go, I can take one also, or you can go and you can write that. So this is how we can go and we can make sure of writing this. We can make sure generally of writing this, all the comments and all that. So now I hope you guys understood and you guys will be able to go and able to write the comments and all that. Can we do by this way, guys? Okay, thank you, Ekta. What about other people? Then now we will see here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Just a minute, guys. Okay, perfect. Now let's see how I will find other website. So for other websites and all, what we can do here is, like suppose I need to find other blog commenting websites, or suppose I need to find other forum submissions website, other image submission website and all that. So again, one is to you can use the AI tools. Like I can go and do use the AI tools have internet connections. Like Perplexity AI again has internet connection. So I will go and I will use it. I will say, give me list of 20 blog submission site and also write your business. Like for example, if it is, suppose give me the list of 20 blog submission website for digital marketing. So again, suppose my business is digital marketing, I will go and I will say, and then just I will enter. And once I enter here, now again, wait, now it will give you the, and the, see what I love about this, it will check the DA also. Though again, I will advise you to do check by yourself also, DA, PA and spam score. So you have to make sure generally is to go ahead and do check that DA, PA and spam score generally. So after that, one by one, I can go, like suppose this is there, I can go and I can open that. And one by one, we can go ahead here. So once I go, see this. Again, this is not fine. So let's see if we have the blog or article. So article option is there. Let's go to the article option. Now again, if I go here, now if I scroll down here, now if I just go to the end. So comment options will be at the end. So again, about the author is there, but again, comment they have blocked. So comment options again is not there. Now what I will do, I will go to the second block. So I will go to the second block. Again, this option is not available. Now I will click on the blog option. Again, see comments are there. So on the top only, I can see the comments. Now I can first read that out, or I can use AI to generate the comments for me. And I can go here generally. And after that, once I go, like I can go and I can sign up and I can join the discussion. See. So I can give the link also. See, link option is also there. So you can go and you can submit the link and all that if you want and all. Now it will depend upon them. If they like go and this, if they apply, see there is a link. So if people want, they can go ahead with the link. So like this, if I want now, suppose I want 20 or 10 image submission website apart from Pinterest, I will go in the Perplexity AI and the same prompt you can use. You can go here and you can say, give me a list of 10 image submission website, image submission site for digital marketing, and just enter. Now again, see LinkedIn, Facebook, it is giving me a lot of social media. So what I will say, please avoid popular social media. Popular social media website. Now let's enter. Now see, it is giving me 10s that are non-popular. Flickr, photo bucket. So I can go here to the photo bucket or any, you can randomly, I'm taking here photo bucket. I can go here, I can sign in and all that. And again, I can go and I can upload the images and all that. So see, try it today. I can sign in and all that. And then again, this is a plan. So this is like a paid plan. So again, what I will tell it, I want the list of free image submission website and then just enter. Now again, Flickr, photo bucket, type it. So again, let's start with this second one. Suppose if I go here and do check that out. If it is a free, we will go and we will use it. Image upload and meme. So I think yes, most viral. See, I can go and I can do that. So again, like this, I can find multiple website and all that. So again, you can go and you can find it and it can be extremely helpful for that. Now, I hope we are clear about today's topic, guys. Any questions now, I will take that. I hope we are clear how to find competitors, what tools to use and how to find many other like submissions website also. What about other people? I hope you all guys learn today something. Text to link, you don't have to convert, you have to give the link. For example, now, like here, if I'm going to Quora, please see that. So if you get the option, sometime you do get the option, like if I go to the Quora, like suppose I'm commenting here. So once I go, I can directly comment the link, or one thing is I search for the question. So suppose if I search here for MBA admission, MBA admission. So suppose I search here MBA admission, and suppose if I give the answer. Now again, suppose I write the best MBA and like you can say college. And suppose I have to give the link on this. Just select this and come to the downwards and find this. So if you have this option now, like particularly whenever you are getting, when you are submitting, so this you can find and you can select and then you can give the link. So that is how you give link. Second way is directly you give the link. So I hope Mahalakshmi, you got it? You have to see. If it allows, it will tell you. If it does not allow, again, you have to directly post the link. Now I'm ready with the question. So if anyone has questions, And tomorrow we will be continuing this. Like I think half an hour I will be needing. 20 minutes to 25 minutes I will complete this, and then we will see the tomorrow topic as well. Attendance sheet has been given, guys. Please check. 3-4 comments above only you have the attendance sheet, and 3-4 times it has been given. So please check, and please make sure you mark the attendance. Then you leave if you don't have any questions. Now I'm open to questions. If anyone has, please go ahead and ask. How to say to Google to unfollow my web? Okay, your website. Okay, if it is a WordPress website, then what you have to do, there is one option. If it is non-WordPress website, you have to give the no follow tag generally, like no index tag to be specific. If it is not, like if I go and if I show you for WordPress, you want for a WordPress Mahesh or non-WordPress website? You have the recording access. Rajnish, don't worry. In YouTube, you can access that. In your LMS, you have, so you can go and you can see that. So I will be taking questions because questions is also important. I don't want you to go by learning and not clearing your questions. So I will be taking questions. That is much more important because this you can again see that in YouTube or on your LMS. So let me both. Okay. So if it is WordPress now, like if it is WordPress website, so there is a option in the setting. You go to the reading, just please see on the screen. So again, when you go to the reading now, there's an option where what you do, you click this, discourage search engine from indexing my website. So here you get this option in the WordPress under setting reading. And if it is not WordPress, then you have to do with the no follow tag, like no index tag, no index tag. So again, you can go and you can go to any AI. So again, you can tell write no index tag. But this tag need to be given in every page. But in WordPress, only one option will work. So again, if you go ahead, and here it is, this tag. So this is the tag you will go ahead and you will do. Okay, please share attendance link team. I think lot of people. Okay, perfect. Attendance link. You will be getting, please reach out to your POC. Might be some problem. I'm sure they will be solving it. After completion, Serena. Okay, let me see if any questions. Here is the attendance. So please click on that. Please fill it out before anyone leaves. And tomorrow we will be continuing this local SEO part. And then afterwards, we will be seeing, if I just tell you, just wait a minute. Let me just tell you what we have for tomorrow. So tomorrow we will be continuing, we will be seeing local SEO. And apart from local SEO, just a minute. Please see, it is there on that. Okay, page. Yeah, tomorrow we will be doing, like you can say, local SEO part and all that. And apart from local SEO, we will be starting Google Ads. So Google Ads we will be doing like 2 days, guys. 2 days we will be understanding all the essential and basic part. So first we will be doing, you can say, Google My Business, that is a review rating part. So for people who don't know what is Google My Business, when you search now, like whatever this review rating part you get. So this review rating, whatever you are getting, this all we will be covering first. and then we will be doing that. Okay, I hope your questions got answers, and please, a keyword planner, if it is not working, then try Neil Patel Uber Suggest tool. For people, if it is not working, na, try this Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest, if you go, this Neil Patel tool, just you need to have the account. Once you create the free account, you can just see that. Yeah, you can go and you can like type the keyword. Like suppose if I want to find digital marketing course, and then I can select here the country, India and all, whatever you want, and then search. So you will be getting with this Uber Suggest, but it just give you 2 to 3 searches of one day. Only one searches. So please make sure you do not waste it now. Please do that after awards. Okay, I hope it will help. Now let me check just 1 2 question before we. What was your question, Chandana? Can you just retype that? I hope it helps, Mahesh, the super suggest, but only it gives you 1 free searches. Can you please type, Chandana? And you guys are getting attendance link. Please make sure before leaving you are filling that form. Okay, you are filling. Okay, perfect. Okay, I hope everyone got their question answers done. So, sir, with time, more website will appear with different features. So, is there any way to find that? It's you have to read that blog out. Basically, like if you want the features, so there will be like for WordPress, blogs continuously. You can go and you can go ahead and you can read that out and all. Like there is one blog that I read it out. Viraj is like SEJ, Search Engine Journal. So that helps me to be in the like latest zone and know what is like updating, what is there and all that. So again, it will again will give you very good idea about that. It is searchenginejournal.com. And Google, again, you have to check. Like, I think you might have created with the wrong method. Please, if you, it is asking for the business names, give the business name and see, like, give any business name, give your name and try that. So if you try that, maybe you will be able to use. And please don't type Google Ads, guys. Please type keyword planner. Keyword planner. So when you go and when you type that now, keyword planner, you will be able to find that. So again, please type keyword planner and organic results, please. So thank you so much, guys. Now I will just leave. And before you guys leave, please make sure you fill the attendance sheet, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you, Roshan. So, students, please mark your attendance, and any more questions regarding LMS, you can ask me here in the chat box. Okay. So from YouTube, I have one question. If we don't attend a class due to important work, how to cover? So Aditya, you can get that recording class in LMS, or else you can go to YouTube also. There also you will get. Ma'am, I'm not getting proper mails from XLR, ma'am. So like which mails, Chandana? May I know? Like LMS mails, or else you didn't receive reply from XLR. Ma'am, how to access LMS? Okay. First, you have to register for that. Okay. So after registration, we will provide access. After that, you have to log in that. So there you will get like recordings, materials, all the things. Okay. I'm sharing that link here in the chat box. Please take from here. And yesterday when the class was started, so it's like same Dell, like 7 to 9. Due to some technical issue, I attended the class, but I wasn't able to fill the form out like today. So Pushpendra, you have to mark your attendance or else it will affect on your certificate. 60% attendance is mandatory for the certificate. Hmm? Okay. Ma'am, I didn't get attendance link. Yeah, I'm sharing now. Please mark your attendance. Even just a minute. Even yesterday I didn't fill form because I didn't had access to Zoom meeting. My but I joined the YouTube. Yep, Pushpendra, I send the attendance link in YouTube also. Is there any project for the end of the session? No. No, we are not giving any project for this. It's just the 30 hours program, means 15 days program. Daily 2 hours we are covering. How will send you a certificate. So, Kavyasri, we are sending PDFs to your registered emails. I'm telling you, everyone, and I'm requesting you, please maintain only one email ID for giving your attendance. Okay. So that we can easily like calculate your attendance, or else it will be problematic to us and for you also. Okay. So if you people don't have any questions, we'll wind up the session and we'll meet on tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. How many days will be the will the last? So this is the 5th date. Maybe it's like 10th. 10th is the last day for this course. Okay. So Pushpendra, like this is a 15 days program, right? At least you have to mark your attendance 9 days. Okay, so that you will cover 60%. So try to join from today and mark your attendance from today itself. Okay. It will be helpful. Rajeshwari, try again, it will work. That's okay, Maheshwari. You can watch the recording session. Yes, done with your questions. Yeah, thank you for joining. We'll meet on tomorrow. Bye. Good night.